Hi, Jimmy Rogers here with Denizen Tampa Bay. We're here today in Boca Ciega Bay in St. Petersburg on the 2014 Meridian 391 sedan, Mr. Blue Sky. Come check it out. Couple great highlights of the boat that I want to feature. The boat has Cummins 425 horsepower diesel engines. Your cruising speed is going to be about 23 knots. Top speed is going to be close to 30 knots. The engines have about 675 hours on them, so low time for the age of the boat. Great navigation electronics suite with FLIR thermal imaging, bow, stern thruster, autopilot, 2 Raymarine sharp water screens. Everything you need for navigation. Another great feature is you have a dinghy cradle in the back, so you can purchase a dinghy with the boat, and it's got a way to store it on the back of the boat. Due to the boat being kept undercover for the last 7 years, the exterior is in excellent shape. The upholstery, the canvas, the gel coat is all in super great shape. Here on the swim platform of Mr. Blue Sky, you can see we have a nice dinghy cradle here where you can fit a dinghy on the back and manually release it into the water without having a big expensive electrical mechanism that needs to be serviced a lot. You have great transom storage here, and one neat little Meridian feature that they did, there's a pathway here where your 50 amp shore power cord can go underneath the swim platform and up into your cabinet without worrying about you tripping over it. Here you have a deploying swim ladder. You do have here a nice boarding door that closes to keep it nice and safe here for pets and kids. And over here, both port and starboard, you have designated fender storage in here for your fenders. So it has a place, it's not rolling around on the deck. Super cool feature here. You have access directly into your engine room. Steps that go down there, so you can get easy access, quick access to there. Also from there, you can access your lazarette space, which is down here in the floor that has plenty of storage. In the Salon of the 391 Meridian, you have a ton of natural light coming in. Big windows on all the sides, big forward windshield pieces. Feels super open and like you're well connected to the outside world. You can see all the waves and everything going on around you. Here you can see tons of seating. You got a nice, great L-shaped seating area here. 2 little small chairs there that you can sit in, storage underneath all of them. And underneath here, you have a full pull-out sofa bed, so the boat can comfortably sleep 6 if you need it. A high-low salon table here, great TV entertainment center. And you have access, it's super easy, to your digital switch panel here for both your AC, DC generator startup, your Fusion head unit panel for your stereo. And one thing that I really like too, again for access, if you ever need to do any engine work or check your sea strainers or do normal maintenance on your engines, this floor pulls right up and you can get right to the top of your engines. It's super easy to get to. In the forward part of the Salon, you have a really nice dinette table here. It also has a lower down feature where you can have a smaller pole with filler cushions, so you can comfortably seat a couple people here to have coffee, have a light meal, whatever. Going forward here into the galley, you have a nice big expansive tabletop here with insets. You can remove these if you want. You have a 2-burner cooktop, sink, designated storage for your trash, tons of stuff here for your storage of all your china or other dishware. Refrigerator, freezer, convection microwave. There is storage in the floor here, which you'll see in the photo shoot. That looks great, but you're still close and connected to everybody else here in the Salon, and you have a really big functional galley. Forward in the boat, your sleeping accommodations are really nice. You have a forward master stateroom that's a walk-around double berth that has direct access from it to a shower and sink area. And then you also have a VIP stateroom that has a walk-around island berth as well. Again, for the size boat, unheard of. Tons of space. One great thing that they did as well in the model, they split the head up into 2 separate sections. Both sections have sinks, but one of them is primarily a shower and the other one is a toilet area and a vanity. So if you have multiple different guests on board, you can be using both of those facilities without one person taking up the entire head area. I'm up here on the Flybridge of the 391 Meridian Mr. Blue Sky. One thing that I love about this boat, one of my favorite features, up here for a 39-foot Flybridge, you have an enormous amount of seating space. You got a great Helm chair with a bolster seat, all the navigation electronics you could want, a forward-facing companion seat right here that can seat 2. We also have a refrigerator here so you can keep all your cool drinks right next to you at the captain's chair. Storage underneath, you have sink, there's cup holders throughout. We've got a nice glove box here where you can store your covers and other things like that, cell phones, etc. Back here, we have a huge crescent-shaped seating area, again with more cup holders, a fixed table. You could easily seat 5 or 6 people there. So your total capacity, again, on a 39-foot Flybridge, comfortably, you could have 7 or 8 people up here and be having a great time, enjoying it. You got your refrigerator right there, and your Helm is right here where the captain can stay in the action and have fun. Additionally, you got a huge bimini top that covers the entire area, so everybody here is going to be shaded, and there's a full isinglass enclosure throughout the entire area where you have great zips here on the sides that you can open up and get a cross breeze. We also have special zipper set up here on these front panels where we could flip them up, attach them up to the top bimini here, and get as much breeze as you want. At the Flybridge Helm of the 391 Meridian Mr. Blue Sky, you've got a ton of navigation electronics. This is far from off-the-shelf standard equipment. You have an upgraded Fusion stereo system that you can articulate with your phone throughout the boat. VHF radio, you have your SmartCraft colored digital vessel display that shows you things like all your vessel diagnostics. You can see here the boat's got 673 hours on the engines. You've got your Raymarine chart plotters here. You have 2 of them. Raymarine autopilot. You have trim tabs, remote spotlight, bow and stern thruster. Also have digital throttles. Super easy to move and maneuver the boat. One thing that was added too is FLIR thermal imaging. There's a camera right up here that you can control, and you can view it from the chart plotter screen. A lot of great features here. You can go travel wherever you want, and it's got the electronics package of which you see on much larger boats. Jimmy Rogers here with Denizen Yachting Tampa Bay. Thanks for watching the tour of the Meridian 391 Sedan 2014 model year, Mr. Blue Sky. I hope you like it as much as I do. It's a beautiful boat, super well kept, been undercover most of its life. You gotta check it out. Priced right, ready to go. You can take it and go cruising and have fun with it. Have a good day.